Acid rain is rain with a high level of hydrogen ions, making it very acidic. It harms plants, animals, and humans and damages buildings. It forms when gases like ammonium, carbon, nitrogen, and sulfur from natural and human sources mix with atmospheric water. Robert Angus Smith first linked acid rain to pollution in 1852. The main cause of acid rain is sulfur dioxide, with carbon dioxide and nitrogen oxides also contributing. Factories, power stations, and vehicles burning coal or oil release these gases. Efforts to reduce sulfur emissions have been somewhat successful, but it's costly to clean factory smoke. Acid rain destroys trees, kills fish, and damages buildings by dissolving calcium carbonate stone. It results from both human activities, like burning fossil fuels, and natural events, such as volcanic eruptions and lightning. Acid rain's corrosive nature harms both living organisms and non-living structures.